Every year, millions of tons of construction and demolition waste are generated worldwide. Currently, less than 1% of this waste is processed into reusable construction materials. Furthermore, by utilizing machinery, specifically a basic crushing and sorting unit, this waste can be transformed into reusable building materials. Therefore, if you are looking for a manufacturing sector business opportunity characterized by low competition and strong future growth potential, do not miss this video. Today, in this video, we analyze 10 specific processing businesses centered around this waste sector, examining their machinery requirements, output products, and potential market access in 2026. However, please note that this video is published for educational purposes only. Before launching any business, you must conduct a comprehensive, independent analysis of local market conditions, government regulations, and market demand. So friends, don't skip this video. Make sure you watch until the end. Come on, let's start. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Recycled concrete aggregate business. In many construction sites, old concrete is often discarded as waste. However, once crushed, it can be reused as a base material for roads, sidewalks, or as fill material for new construction projects. In this business, you can collect demolition debris and use a crushing machine to produce recycled aggregates. Given the increasing number of infrastructure projects, the demand for these materials is expected to remain steady over the long term. If the right contracts are in place, this industry can effectively turn waste into a sustainable source of income. Second, recycled brick manufacturing business. The production of recycled bricks from broken bricks obtained from building demolition waste is a rapidly growing specialty in the industry today. In this process, waste materials are collected, crushed, and then pressed, usually with the help of binding materials, to make new bricks. Today, the increasing demand for green building materials has prompted construction companies to use such materials. Quality control will be strict, and there are currently relatively few companies operating in this sector. Therefore, early entrants are likely to gain a competitive advantage. Third, construction sand recovery business. Next, highly usable sand can be recovered from building demolition waste. Yes, this sand can be separated using recovery systems and resold for construction purposes. Today, with the rising price of river sand and tightening regulations, the market for recycled sand is rapidly emerging. So you can target these industry contractors, brick manufacturers, and builders. If you have the right raw materials, this is a technically manageable yet operationally demanding business that rewards consistent supply chain discipline. Number 4. Waste wood recycling business. Construction waste also generates scraps of plywood, wood chips, and old timber. Typically, the general public views these materials merely as useless waste. However, these materials can be reused to make wood chips, particle board, fuel pellets, or decorative items. Furniture manufacturers and biofuel consumers represent potential markets for these materials. So you can start with basic logistics infrastructure and enter this segment, though raw material sourcing and quality grading require consistent attention. Number 5. Recycled paver block business. Manufacturing paver blocks using crushed construction waste and recycled gravel is an excellent business idea. The demand for paving stones or roads, sidewalks, and gardens continues to increase. The machinery setup for paver block production is available in modular formats, though initial capital requirements will vary based on output capacity and site conditions, and the resulting finished product is highly attractive. The unique appeal of this initiative lies in its ability to transform an item that was designed for the landfill into a branded product. Number 6. Gypsum board recycling business. Interior demolition work in buildings generates a significant amount of gypsum waste. However, very few companies currently recycle it. Therefore, you can clean the waste gypsum and sell it in powder form for reuse in various applications. As the construction industry increasingly shifts towards sustainable raw materials, gypsum recycling has low domestic competition currently. A unique demand has emerged for this product. If you can establish the right business model, this could prove to be a unique and scalable venture. Number 7. metal scrap recovery business. Materials such as steel rods, iron scraps, and aluminum fittings are available from construction waste. All of these possess significant resale value. Therefore, by properly sorting and processing them, you can transform this venture into a business model, though margins will depend on commodity price fluctuations. Today, there is a continuing demand for metal recycling as manufacturers frequently use recycled metals in their manufacturing process. One can start with a small collection and sorting yard and gradually expand this operation to establish a large-scale scrap metal processing facility. Number 8. Recycled tile manufacturing business. Creating recycled tiles from broken ceramic waste and demolition debris is emerging as a high-end trend. These days, hotels, restaurants, and eco-friendly construction firms use these products due to their distinctive look. Using your innovative skills and manufacturing know-how, premium recycled tiles targeting hotels and eco-construction firms can command higher margins. It is entirely feasible to start a small-scale production setup and target a specific niche market. Number 9. Waste glass recycling business. Construction waste encompasses not only wood, iron, and soil debris, but also broken glass. These can be recycled and made into recycled glassware, tiles, and decorative items, or provided as unprocessed glass shards. Glass recycling benefits from stable industrial demand, particularly as manufacturers seek energy-efficient raw material sourcing, though market conditions will vary by region. By starting in a small niche market segment, you can successfully capture a specific portion of the market. Number 10. Construction plastic waste recycling business. Finally, a lot of plastic waste is generated in construction sites such as pipes, packaging, plastic coverings, and trash. So it may be profitable as a business for you to recycle these materials and turn them into small balls, handy items, or even casting. Although the plastic recycling industry has already been well established, the niche sector, especially considering construction waste, is still to be fully explored. So if you execute properly, this can be a good business opportunity for a big enterprise. So friends, these are some of the businesses operating within the construction waste recycling sector. Furthermore, while some of these function as small-scale enterprises, others operate on an industrial scale. Therefore, choose the right business idea only after fully understanding the supply chain and accessing market conditions. Next, start small, test the market, then expand your business. As we mentioned earlier, this video is for learning and research purposes only and does not guarantee further income or success. Rather, its objective is to share potential business opportunities. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.